In 2015, the High Court in Kampala ruled that the land at Katanga Valley belongs to Makerere University. However, the same court ruled that the residents of the same land had become bona fide occupants and are by law entitled to continue occupying the land. Makerere has since appealed against the bona fide status of the residents, and the matter is still pending in court. Recently, the University Vice-Chancellor Professor Barnabas Nawangwe wrote to various stakeholders over the disputed land, inviting them for an update meeting. However, residents are suspicious and worried that the university is planning to evict them.
We as leaders could not go into a matter which is now in the Court of Appeal to meet and dialogue or have an engagement about developing it, because we believe that the matter that is really sub judice and contempt of court.
Their main concern is on why Makerere continues with plans to evict them before the matter is settled in court.
Even ready to pay the busulu to them as our landlords, of which they defied and declined to. They should at least respect the law and compensate our people to their satisfaction, because we don't want to be an obstacle for development.
In explaining the situation, the University Secretary Yusuf Chiranda has shed light on the exact tract of land in Katanga that the university is ready to develop.
Land in Katanga Valley is about 31 acres. And when the court judgment was made, part of the land was considered to have bona fide squatters who were on the land, but 5 acres of that land did not have any squatters, and the court handed it over to Makerere University. That is the part which Makerere University is moving to develop. The 5 acres, we call that the land in Lower Katanga. Our appeal is on the upper side of the land where the existing squatters were identified by court to be bona fide. But the lower part did not have, even the court ruling says so, and that land was handed over to the university by court. We have people who operate washing bays on that land. They have letters which authorize them to operate those washing bays from the university.
He also admits that the Kampala Capital City Authority is helping in monitoring the land against encroachments. Occupants on the remaining 26 acres of Katanga, whose fate still hangs in court, say they are ready to pay ground rent to Makerere or be compensated so they can leave. However, they are waiting for a court ruling on the matter.
We are quite confident that we will be successful in our appeal, but even if we are not, we will follow the law in dealing with what the court eventually decides.
Patrick Senyondo, NTV.